How to remove bad videos on Facebook feed. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you remove the bad videos from your Facebook feed. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open your Facebook app with your logged in account. So simply you have to open it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the options 3 lines just at the top right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy, so simply tap on it. And now from here go with the option settings. All right, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the section preference. So under the preference section you'll have to go with the options content preference, so simply you have to tap on it. All right, so now from here you'll have to go with the options like manage default, so simply you have to tap on it. And now from here, to reduce the bad videos on your Facebook feed, you'll have to go the option sensitive content, so simply tap on it. And now from here you can reduce the bad videos or sensitive contents on your Facebook feed, so simply you have to choose the option show less. Alright, so after this you'll have to tap on the save option. Okay, so again tap on the OK. And now from here you'll be able to remove the bad or sensitive videos from your Facebook feed. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.